up.
Stand up.
You said me to be in the chair. Let me in the fucking chair, bitch.
Yeah, I understand that.
September 21st, 2023. Airport officers responded to a service call regarding a fight at a restaurant. As they dug deeper, it was revealed that the suspect had vandalized multiple businesses, spat on an individual, and struck an elderly woman with a closed fist, causing a minor laceration.
Yeah.
This guy will explain what's going on.
I was just walking up, and you hear this loud bang, and I guess a younger woman hit this elderly woman in the face with a phone. And the elderly woman's cut. She's bleeding down the side of her face. Then the woman went and spit in somebody else's face, and then a bunch of us were trying to contain her.
So
she went back down into Terminal C.
The individual hit two people?
Hit one person, spit in another woman's face.
Hit one, spit in the other. Okay.
And they've been
okay. Okay.
So there's the elderly woman right there.
Hey, what's going on? Hey.
She has like all crazy cameras.
Assaulted.
And both of them were. She spit on her and then knocked her with a cell phone.
Okay, big one.
You can show it.
19, 18, 97.
Of course, she was like in the way, but you can turn this up. She's screaming and yelling at her right here.
She did take the face of her cell phone, and that's what hit her.
That's what hit her, but you were in the way. Look at that. So right here is when she walks up to her and hits her. That's where she hits her, and then she comes.
Control.
No, she punched her with her hand.
Raised my hand.
No, yeah. If you slow it down.
Glasses.
She went that way.
Charlie? Okay.
And then she looked like she was trying to find somewhere to hide because we were all like congregating. She could have gone past us and gone down D, but
Okay. Is that video something you're able to possibly send to us?
Of course. This is her. And then this is where she's got glasses on. And then you can see where she spits on this lady right here in the pink. And you can't tell right here. This is because she was kind of in the way, but this is where she hits her. Right here. And then right here. That's where she hit her.
Yeah.
And then she's bleeding on the corner there, but
that's where you would have been able to see it.
Okay.
So,
yeah, this is exactly where she hits her.
how long's the video?
Very angry. And she had knocked over a bunch of stuff on a desk up there right before that.
Yeah.
Okay. So I feel like.
Can you pull that video up?
Yep.
And let me see if I can grab it. That's the beginning.
Here.
I mean, that's like your own mama getting hit, you know? It's like,
yeah.
It makes me sick. Yeah.
I would have gone after her, but I was too scared she was smacking me in the face as well.
I thought she was coming towards me when she saw my phone.
She definitely didn't go out the exit.
No, we would have seen
Okay,
her.
that's it.
Yeah, she's definitely down that way.
So the
Check the bathrooms.
the couple screenshots. Can you grab a couple of them?
Does someone have ability to let our flight know that we're like late now?
We'll get you there.
Okay.
We're not going to hold you here. In fact, you got a card?
Yeah, she's still down there, so somebody's got to find. She is on something.
Oh, she would have hit anybody who.
Okay, so here.
Yeah.
So that's Andrew.Brennan, BRENNAN at
Got you.
flynashville.com.
Got it. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you. Want to go look?
Yep.
We're going to go look.
Correct.
What direction? Where? Okay. Did you just have somebody come through and knock all this off?
Well, yeah. We have a picture.
Was it a woman?
I'm nosy. I'm black. I'm trying to see.
Was it a woman?
Yes.
I just need to see a picture of what she looks like. Thank you. Control 18, she just knocked a bunch of stuff off of Air Essentials too. I'm still trying to make contact.
After a 10-minute search, officers located her seated in the waiting area near one of the gates. Before approaching her, officers consulted with the victims to determine if they wished to press charges. When the victims declined,
The officers proceeded to take her into custody on a disorderly conduct charge.
You want me to go ahead and take her for disorderly? All right, I'll take her for disorderly. Hi, ma'am. My name is Officer Link with the Airport Police. Need you to go ahead and stand up. Stand up, please. Ma'am, stand up. Put your hands behind your back. Stand up.
Do not resist.
Roll over.
Do not resist. Okay? Don't make this any worse than you've already made it. Okay? Come here. Do not resist. Put your
Ma'am?
hands behind your back. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now. Hands behind your back.
Now.
Do it
Give
now.
me your hands.
Officer Lincoln, was it the store at
Put
the
your hands behind your back. Do not resist.
or was it one
Do
down
not
here?
resist. Okay? Do not resist. Okay? Thank you. Very good. Stop.
Stop
Do not
resisting.
resist. Okay?
You're making this more difficult on yourself. Roll over onto your stomach.
Do it now. Put your hand behind your back. Do it now. Okay? Do not resist. Do not resist. Being placed under arrest by this officer for disorderly conduct. Do you understand?
Stand up.
You want me to bring my car over here?
We may need that.
Yeah.
Stand up.
We're going to set you in this chair, okay?
Okay, come on. Okay. Okay. Well,
You can hang out there. That's fine.
she wants to do that. That's her thing, okay? It's an additional charge. Resisting an officer. Hey, you want to sit up in a chair? Let's get you sit up in a chair. Come on, stand up. Okay? Okay. All right.
You said me to be in the chair. Let me in the fucking chair, bitch.
Yeah, I understand that. I understand that, okay? And you can relax.
Who's not relaxing?
Okay? There's no need for pulling away. There's no need for
Who's
language.
pulling away?
Okay?
You are.
I'm not playing games here.
I can sit the fuck up if I want to.
You can sit right here, just
Let
like
go
that.
of me.
Put your feet on the
Pedo.
ground. Okay.
Y'all want me to sit like this?
If that's what you want to do.
Calm down.
I want to. What are y'all waiting for?
A vehicle, since you don't want to walk.
I can sit the fuck up.
Where's your wallet at, ma'am?
Okay.
Where's your wallet at?
I don't have a wallet.
Okay.
Where's your ID at?
I don't have ID.
Okay.
In the airport.
I magically appeared. Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Magically appeared in the airport. Okay.
Let's go.
Hear
Walk
me.
into a car. Okay. Stand up and walk. Get a chair. Get a chair. You don't need to do that. We're going to put you in a chair then.
Come on.
No, you don't want to walk. You ride in the chair.
No, you don't want to walk. You're going in the chair.
I'll get the ride.
You going to walk now?
No, I want to ride. Y'all gonna show for me.
Okay.
I want to ride.
Additional charge.
Hurry up.
Right. Last, we'll take that vehicle and take it away behind it.
Where are we going? Quit.
Hanging on there right now.
God,
Good. I'm walking that way, but what do you think?
Man, stop, please. Stop it.
y'all see this stuff?
You're making it worse for you. Stop.
The mayo. The mayo. Come on, push me out.
Stop resisting.
Come on, push me out.
20.
That's right. That's right.
We got an officer strapped down.
That's right.
Stop resisting.
Strap too.
Other side. She's good. She's not gonna have that.
Okay, push me out.
That would be very unwise.
Additional charge, resisting stop, halt, frisk. Lead the way. Spitting. Second count, disorderly.
I'm going this way. Wow.
Hey, we can take the elevator.
Why can't we go through our water?
We need to take the elevator. All right. We need to take the elevator.
I can carry it. We can carry it.
She's spitting.
Oh, okay.
That's right. Make your asses work.
You're making us do less work, actually.
Okay. Congratulations.
You need me to push it, Brendan?
So I'm being arrested for disorderly conduct.
Resisting stop, halt, frisk.
So what does disorderly conduct mean? What does disorderly conduct mean?
Well, you seem to know everything, so look it up.
I don't know anything. Yeah. It's funny.
Try to have a conversation with you. And be polite and be civil.
You ever will, broke bitch.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're entitled to your opinion.
Thank you.
All right. What we're going to have you do is lean over the hood of this car, and she's going to search you before you go in the patrol car. Do you have any questions?
I can't walk, so yeah, I'm figure it out.
Let's roll her a little closer first.
Yeah.
I don't want to drag her.
I don't want her touching me. Can I have a guy do it? I don't want her touching me.
Non-resist.
I'm not supposed to resist. Okay.
Hand up.
Anybody got before you do it, please?
Do not resist.
Just search on the ground.
I'll take my glasses off. Wait, take my glasses off.
Do not resist.
I'm searching your person.
I don't want to break those. Those are 400.
Okay. Well, don't resist. Don't damage your glasses.
Y'all damaging them.
We'll roll you over. Get you up. Okay. Do not resist. Do not resist. Okay.
All right.
Okay, we're going to help you sit up, and we're going to put you in the car. Yeah, we're going to put them right on you as soon as we get you in the car. Do not drag your feet. Walk to the car.
Thanks, guys.
Turn around. Okay. But
Hold on, wait. I need my glasses.
we're going to get you.
We'll get your glasses
after you get in the car.
Put on my face.
Nope, we're not.
when you get in the car.
We're getting you in your car.
We don't want to see you damage your glasses by your actions.
I don't damage myself.
Okay, good.
Thank you. Now can I have my glasses?
Sit back.
You're going to get them. Promise you that. Put your feet on the floor. Do not resist. Sit up straight. Do not resist.
Shut the fuck up. I need my glasses. Come on, put
Sit
my
up
face.
straight. Sit up straight.
No, they're in my hair. Ooh, my bad. You gotta go up. No.
There you go. Sit up straight. Watch yourself.
Thanks, Hannah.
Good job, buddy.
Guys, appreciate you.
I'll ride with you.
Okay. Appreciate you. Wait.
She get her handcuffs? Hey!
What the fuck did that happen?
Everything okay?
You're...
Oh, y'all must really like me.
Wait, we might not be able to drag her out of the car. The hobble's in the front door.
She slipped her handcuffs.
Trying to be nice to you. Stop resisting.
No one's resisting. No one's resisting. You guys just like to.
The other door cracked? I'm just gonna drag her through like I did before.
14, showing check hangar 22.
Okay, so if I take you out of this hobble so you can walk, you're going to walk for me?
I'm not mad.
signature tower. Ten mark.
I'm me and Buckley here.
Huh?
I was just saying with me and Buckley. Check it out.
Keep your shovel.
Can I not have my picture taken?
You have to.
I'm disabled.
Can you use your work phone?
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Why y'all so mad?
What's up?
I said, why y'all so mad?
I'm mad.
Okay. He's acting in a way. I know why he's acting.
Do you think it was worth it? Share your thoughts down in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed today's video and want to see more compelling police body cam footage, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Code 3 Views. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated when we drop new content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.